What is the correct verbiage to notify the school district we are bringing an advocate to the IEP meeting? I'm bringing an advocate to the IEP meeting. That simple. But I can't just have 15 seconds worth of, look, you get a meeting notice, all right? And they're required to send you the meeting notice. On the meeting notice itself, all right, there's going to have all the people that are invited. This is federal law, regardless of where you live in the country. Every meeting notice must contain the same information. It just looks different state to state with regards to what the meeting notices look like. But they must contain the same information. And so with this particular situation, there's going to be a spot where it tells you who's invited to the meeting. You are a participant in the creation of this document. And so a lot of parents don't understand that. And they don't understand that this document is a working document. The meeting notice is a working document between you and the public school. The public school has an obligation to invite you to a meeting, even if you're the one that requested it. They've got to work within your availability and your schedule within a reasonable manner, okay? So that you can participate. The only way they can have a meeting without you is if they make multiple attempts, at least 2 documented attempts, to try to, and this is the key word, convince you to participate. The word is convince you to participate, not invite you. Because I can tell you, a lot of schools violate the law, and they're very confident in doing it, going, well, we invited her twice. We documented it. And you ask the parent, and they're going, hey, I'm a single mom. I work at Walmart. They want to meet every Wednesday. My days off are Mondays and Sunday. And I keep telling them I can meet on Monday. I can't meet on Wednesday. But Wednesday tends to be the day that's convenient for the school and the school staff. And the school staff is getting paid to sit in these meetings because they only want to have them between 8 and 2. Can't have them after 2 because they have kids, you see. They worry about their kids. They don't worry about your kid. They don't worry about inconveniencing you. They don't worry about the fact that that time that you take off means that you may not make your rent. You might not make your car payment. They just don't think about this stuff, guys. It's absolutely entitlement to the nth degree. And I wish schools would think about that. They do not think about the financial damage they're putting families through just by how they schedule these meetings and not think about the parent and their situation. Absolutely uncalled for and unacceptable. So in this particular situation, so that meeting notice, when they send it, if the date and the time works for you, then great, sign it. And you can sit there and check the box, and you can write, my advocate will be in attendance. You can provide the advocate's name, or you can just put advocate on there. Putting it back on the form and you acknowledging that this is the right time and it works for you, and sending it back is sufficient. You don't have to do anything else because you put it on the form. See, they send it to you. You need to sign it. You need to send it back. You notate, my advocate's going to be in attendance. There you have it. If that date and time doesn't work for you, then you check, please reschedule. Use any available blank space on the form, and you write additional information. That way, you're not allowing them to sit there and prejudge or make determinations that somehow they're having to convince you. Somehow you're trying to avoid them. That's why you need to add a little bit more commentary as to why that date and time might not work for you. I'm working on those dates. Please reschedule. Please provide 2 available options over the next 2 weeks. These are the best days that work for me, along with times. And you put it in any available blank space on the meeting form, and you send it back. But that's what you would do with the advocate. You would put it on there, on the meeting notice, that you're inviting the advocate. You can send an email if you want to. Absolutely, you're not obligated to. if you put it on the meeting notice. Simple as that.